I think okay. So now we need to add from the like header files also. So you can observe here it is showing for the header files also. If they are given from the headers, okay, you can use for the application JSON header. Okay, application JSON is a header. So now we are added for the body. If you go here and you can see here. So body, this is only body, only for this is the body. Nothing but it's a request because this is the post, right? You need for the that body. So actually this script, what is the main aim means hello world will be there. It is converted as a capitals. You can observe, you can see here in your Postman here, all caps as a service. So means once you can execute that hello world, it will convert as a capital. So just simple, we can see got response. Error get what is that get add in info info not found API shutdown IO. Okay, API URL copy same only, right? Again we'll execute. So we'll see the what is the error also we can see here. Okay, you can go here and we are passing content type is a header and Postman token. Some request body. This is the request we are passing. Input hello world. So here you can observe error. This is the error it's showing API dot okay short cloud IO. V1 dot short. So if it is this is the endpoint error, right? If you this is the error also we'll get from the kind of error like it is not found from the you will get. So we'll try the any other one will be there. Can check. Okay, again get so post I will see only one.
Yeah, post is only one I think.
Oh, we have a lot of will be there. Atlas. This is a get only. Okay. Studio all get only. Why all get only is given? Only one post I want. This is wrong coming, right? We are done. Okay, all it is imported. Okay, now it's good. Where is the text, right? We can go there and everything is created. Now we'll see body. Okay, body also there. Headers, everything is there. Now we'll execute. Still we are getting same issue. Means it's not our issue. Okay, so application issue. So we'll see the other ones. You can observe. Get, we are able to successfully getting from the 200. So we can observe this. So we'll check any other. I think all get tool is developed. Only given one, that is also not working.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever may be. So you can understand, like get means we need to give for the get and we need to give for the endpoint URL. And after that, you need to give for the header files. And if you want to, it is a post means we need to provide the body. Okay. So now we can do for the scripting using for the our JMeter and we can see for the load runner also for today class. Okay, for example, I will open, where is my JMeter documents? Okay, download the JMeter and it's a bin folder. I'm opening for the JMeter. You are in Hyderabad, maybe
Yeah, yes, Kim.
you are getting calls.
Yeah, I'm getting calls from. I get 2, 3 calls now.
Okay,
They have taken my details and I'm waiting for the interview schedule.
okay. So thread group, I'm adding thread group. In that, we are adding for the sampler as a HTTP request. So in this HTTP request, we need to provide from the, like, for example, we'll take from the any one of this. So it's cats, facts will be there, right? You can execute. And this is fine. We'll take this one. Okay. Now we need to give for the, this is the URL. So up to this is the our URL. Already you can observe HTTP is there. So we
Yeah.
need to pass from the HTTPS here.
Yes.
Because HTTPS. And here is the up to .com is there, right? You need to give for .com. And after that, path is there, right? So this is the path. Up to this is the path. So we need to pass this. Like and same to the, if you have the get method or post method, you need to select from here. And after that, if you
Yeah.
want to add anything, means you can add from the here. So parameters, you have any parameters, you can add. If it is a body, you can add. If it is any file upload also will be there, you can add. And so you need to add for the any header files, means we need to add from the headers also. Header manager will be there. Okay, in the config element, we can see the header manager. So here we need to add from the any header we want, you can add from the header. Like content type will be there, right? Can go here and we need to copy paste from here. So headers, there is headers. Okay. Content type, right? Can give here and we are able to see the content type. Content type, and here is the application JSON. So same, these ones we need to pass from the our script also. Go to the our script and here you need to give for the, this is the one, and value place you need to pass from the application JSON. So how many values you have, you need to add from the here. Okay. In our header we can add. So for example, you have any other, also you can add for the click on add and you can add from the again. So after that we'll execute. And before you want to execute means we want to see the results means we need for the listener as a view results tree, at least one. Okay. And HTTP request manager can keep from the above. It is applicable for the all APIs.
Like configuration element is.
Yeah. So now we'll execute. So we'll see the results, how the value is picking. Okay. So just it is asking us save. I'm giving as a API testing. And click on OK. And after that, now you can start the execution. See, your request is passed. Now go to the response data. See, now you can observe you got for the response also. So if you go for the sample results, here you can see the response code is 200. So how we are validated in the Postman, same way we can do. For here in Postman, we cannot do for the load test kind of things, right? Here we can do for the that kind of things. That is why we are doing for the performance testing in our tool. If you are doing for the JMeter or if you are doing for the any tool, okay, load runner also we can do for the same way. So like this we can do. So if you want to give for the what is the this scenario name, you can give for that also means cat facts. Okay, you can give it as a request name as a cat facts API. So that is the API name. And if you want to add one more API also, we can go to the add and HTTP request. And so here you need to do for the same way. We can try another one. I can take okay, dog breeds. Okay, dog breeds we can take. Okay, dog breeds, and we'll execute one time here. It is validating. Okay, we are getting for the response 200. Okay, it's fine, right? Now you can copy the first. We need to copy the what HTTPS.
HTTPS.
Because here already HTTP means no need to give anything, but here HTTPS there. You can give it as a HTTPS. And after that, server nothing but up to this CEO is there, right? Up to that is the our server. And after that, path nothing but up to this API. So you need pass this. And after that, already if you mention header file in the above script, it is applicable for the every script. If you keep from the particular script, so it will be applicable on particular script. But if you keep from in the test plan in the above, in the test plan below, it is applicable for the every API. Okay. So what is the dog breeds? We can give it as a dog breeds API. So now we are all done, right? Now we don't have any body, so we are not adding. Now just we can save this. Again we'll execute. Before that we can clear this. Now we can execute. Now to request also it is pass or not, you can observe here. See, you got for the 200, and if you want to see the response means this is the response you are getting. Cat facts.
In load runner we need to record down now.
No, load runner also we can do same way.
Same.
So after that you want to do for the test means you can do from the like this, for example 10 times, and ramp up also 10 seconds. Okay. And so if you want duration you can select. Now I am doing for the 10 times only, so that is why I'm not doing. And again you can clear this. Okay, now we'll execute. So just test means we can execute like this. Now you can observe. So it is executed for the 10 times. And for example, if you want to for the parameterization any value, so you can take for that, and you can do for the parameterization. Now we are done for the previous, right? You can pause.
Yeah.
And we can, so same way we can do. Okay. Got it?
Like here, what value should we have to do parameterization? Which value?
For example, like here we don't have anything, right? For example, sometimes what will happen means in the facts, some 1600 will be there. Assume. Okay.
Okay.
So this value, so you need to pass this value every time will be different value.
Yeah.
So at that time you can
Like
do for the
session
parameterization and you
value,
need to
like
pass for the different values. Got it?
okay.
So like this we can do for the API testing here, and we'll check one post also, and we'll do for the. I think we have time. Okay. Oh, we have don't have time, and you guys can rejoin after this call is disconnected, because we'll complete for the load runner also today API testing. Meanwhile,
Okay.
I will search from the any post also I will check.
Uh,
Sample post. Now we found yeah, and get. So